Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use secret codes to hide locked chats in WhatsApp. So let's get started with the video. So basically, this is a feature that enhances the privacy by allowing user to hide their locked chats. And once they have locked the chats, these chats can be only accessed by entering a unique code into the search bar. So first you need to lock a chat. For this, you need to hold that particular chat, then you need to click on three lines that you will see at the upper right side, and here you will get an option of lock chat. Click on that. After that, follow the on screen instruction that you will get. Click on continue. So the chat is already logged. So in order to see that, you need to swipe down. That is, you need to swipe down and you will see all the locked chats over here. Click on this locked chats. And after that, since I have set a biometric here, that is fingerprint, so my locked chats will only be enabled and can only be seen once I have put on the authentication method that I have used for my device. So this is how I can use the secret code to hide locked chats in WhatsApp. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.